Hello friends, welcome back another video. Friends, today I collect and introducing some superhero mask and different kind of toys. Ho ho! Friends, let's go. First time I collect a Ultraman mask.
鎧を着てるみたいだ。
Hoo, look, it's a beautiful made by cheap plastic Ultraman mask. And now I collect a Hulk mask. Hooray, look, it's a beautiful green color Hulk mask. Then I collect a Ghost Rider mask.
Feel their pain.
Hooray! Look, it's a beautiful premium quality Ghost Rider mask, dear friend. Now I collect a V for Vendetta hacker mask. Look, it's a beautiful brand new black and golden color combinations. Super duper V for Vendetta hacker mask. Dear friend, now I collect a Transformer Prime mask.
Don't you wanna be a superhero? A superhero, a superhero.
Hooray! Look, it's a beautiful premium quality Transformer Prime mask. And now I collect a Joker mask. Look, it's a beautiful big size Joker mask, dear friend. Now I collect a Batman mask. Hooray! Look, it's a beautiful brand new black color Batman mask. And now I collect a Iron Man mask. Look, it's a beautiful brand new red, golden, white and black color combinations Iron Man mask. And now I collect a Spider-Man mask.
This is your last chance!
I'm gonna die.
Look, it's a beautiful brand new black, red and white color combinations Spider-Man mask. And now I collect a Ultraman mask.
なんて硬いんだ。それに動きが読まれる。
Look, it's a beautiful made by cheap plastic Ultraman mask, dear friend. Now I collect a cat doll mask. Look, it's a beautiful cat doll mask, dear friend. Now I collect a Ultraman mask. Look, it's a beautiful yellow color Ultraman mask. Then I collect a Transformer Optimus Prime mask.
Don't you wanna be a superhero? Superhero, superhero. Don't you want?
Look, it's a beautiful red color Transformer Optimus Prime mask. And now I collect a Spider-Man mask. Look, it's a beautiful red, black, and white color combinations Spider-Man mask, dear friend. Last time I collect a Iron Man mask.
You have no idea what is possible.
Look, it's a beautiful premium quality Iron Man mask, dear friend. It's our total collection. Bye.